Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 16th, 2019. I'm out in the Lower North workshop. Made some progress over the last couple of days. First thing I had to do yesterday was come out here along this wall, which had not been completed yet, but I got this wall much closer to being set for putting up the plywood. I still have to do above the windows. But yesterday there was, I had glass stored since 2012 when I took down the greenhouse that hopefully I'll get back up this summer. But I had, I don't know how many thousands of pounds of glass, 2 foot by 2 foot and 2 foot by 3 foot and 2 foot by 4 foot, 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch glass panels to cover that 70 foot by 34 foot greenhouse. And it was all leaned up against this wall over here because it was near that door. So yesterday I came out and went through the process there. Had to build a crate. I built a big crate right there on wheels. It's a little too heavy for the casters, so I can't really budge it just yet. But I got that all out of there yesterday. Came up, finished getting the insulation up along this wall. So now there's a full four full sheets of 1.5 inch thick polyisocyanurate. Has a nice barrier, thermal, vapor, and air barrier up against there, right up even between all the floor joists up there. The east wall I finished the other day. The south wall I finished, probably a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And I just have a small spot on the north wall to finish up as well. So things have been going pretty well. I still have some more to do on the upper part of the windows and doors. I just have to finish those areas up all around the section. And then the one other area that I've got to finish up is the area where the electrical panel on the north face of this structure is. When that electrical panel gets pulled out, I'm going to insulate behind it and do the same thing as what you see behind me here. So I'm pretty tired and my body's a little sore from toting around all that glass. So there'll be some GoPro footage, you know, the usual thing, of what I've accomplished over the last couple of days and all. And then I'm going to get back to this, and it's just about seed starting time here. I got to get some leek seeds and red onion seeds started. I got those ordered late, so hopefully they'll come in today. Well, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'd appreciate it. Please give us a thumbs up if you think this video was of value. Share it with your friends. And certainly, folks, stay warm and have a cool, refreshing weekend. Bye-bye now.